Hello guys, today I will talk about navigation, how to implement routing navigation in Angular project. So let's move to the blog now. So here I'll talk about the methods to implement navigation. Routes. Navigation is kind of means what are the routes we have. Means in the application, as you can see here, there are multiple routes. Means according to the page there is a different route. So how we can implement this in Angular? So there are different methods. With that, we can implement this routing in our Angular project. With each route, we can define routing. Routing helps user redirect to different pages, and the route. So routing helps user direct to different pages, and so in the Angular, the route is an array of Angular route interfaces which is used to define the path. Route is an array of Angular route interfaces which is used to define the path. So let me first give you the walkthrough of what this route is, how it is working. So as you let me change it to a different project. So firstly, you need to understand what are these routes are, how it's working. Then we can proceed to the blog. So as you can see here, we have defined the navigation. So in the navigation, there are different routes. So in Angular, how we can implement these routes? Yeah, you can check this. So let's move to the here. So in the Angular project, firstly we have this app routing module file. So after you create a project, and it will show this app routing file, and in this app routing we can define the routes and we can implement those routes accordingly. So here about what I defined, I defined the I defined the two routes here. First is basic, and it will redirect to the basic component. Another one is the advanced, so it redirect to the this component. So in Angular we work on the component. So according to the rights, we can open that component, and this thing denotes means on which route we need to redirect to the user if the URL is not correct. So as you can see here, if I write xyz, then it will go to the basic component. So we can implement this thing also here, and the star represent the if there is an error in the route, then it will redirect to this component. So the route, what is the route in Angular? Route is an array of Angular route interfaces which is used to define the path. So here I told you about the app routing file. So in the app routing file, we define navigation between different routes in Angular application. You can define all the things at one place. and how you can create application. To create the application routing module, what you need to do, you need to means how we can create a how can we create a routing file for the particular module. We can use this command. In that case, and regenerate module app routing and module equal to app, whatever the module we want. Here we need to write the module name, and here it is the routing file. So as you can see here, it has defined the app routing file. Let me show you also at one more place. Where the routing is not created. Okay, so currently I've defined the routing at dot place, so you can check it by yourself to run this command and check is means it will create the routing file like this that I have showed you, this one. Next is what are the parameters in this each route, following a different property that you can declare with each route. So here what I have used these are the properties: path, component. With each route you can declare all these things, define the path for a component, and what component define. Component is the name of component which you want to show on that route, and there is a outlet property. Here we can it shows the name of the outlet component. It should be grouped into, so in which outlet you want to group this component. And another one is data. Extra data provided to component by activated route. So this is an advanced feature. So firstly you need to understand this basic thing like path and component, then you can move to this advanced concept. So it basically data is used to pass the data to a particular route, means it is an additional property. And another reason, if you want to declare the children on that particular route, you can write the children also. Next is load children. Load children basically load the particular module, and redirect to is basically redirect to the different route. And next is the path match, which matches the path, and if that path not matches, then it will redirect to that URL. So so these are the basic properties that you use generally. So with after defining this route, then what you need to do, you need to define this thing also here in the wrap component HTML. You can see it is a router outlet, so this is also needed in case if you define the routing outlet. And another one is the router module for route. Then you need to declare the routes in this for route module. Then you can declare these routes here, then these routes will work accordingly. So as I showed you the basic component, so here it is a basic component, and this is an advanced component. So in this we define this thing also. So with the router link basic, it will go to the basic tab, and if you click on the advanced, then it will go to the advanced tab. So this is the basic idea of the navigation route. So to make this route active, we use for route for child method. It is recommended to use hash initially, well it is optional parameter. So you can work like that accordingly. So thanks for watching.